welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little Pegasus figurine. And I've also made a couple more. I have a gray one. I also have this purple. So if you'd like to see how these are made, then stick around. Today I'm going to be using a mixture of gold, light gold, and a pearl color. First I'm going to be starting with the body. So I roll out a smaller section and the head will be at the top. To make the snout, I just pinch and pull. For the nose, I'm going to be using a mixture of black, pink, and pearl. This clay is very soft, so a lot of adjusting is needed. For the eyes, I'm just going to use small plastic beads. For the ears, I just take a small piece of clay, make a diamond, and cut it in half. Before I pre-bake the body, I'm going to put a piece of wire through the shoulders in preparation for the wings. take the wire out before I bake. While that's pre-baking, I'm going to start on the wings. For the outside, I'm going to use the gold color, and for the inside, I'm going to use a pearl color. It's a little bit messy outside of the mold, but you can always clean it up later. Next, I'm going to be moving on to the legs. I'm rolling out some pearl clay, some gold clay, and some lighter gold. I'm going to be mixing some translucent in with my gold. The gold clay that I have is very soft, and the translucent makes it harder. The pearl color will be on the bottom, and the darker gold will be the top of the leg, and this lighter gold is just little markings on the legs. Using some wire on the inside of the legs to help them stay up when baking. lot of dirt got onto my pearl colored clay, so I'm taking some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip and gently rubbing away the dirt. Before I pre-bake the legs, I'm going to stick the wire back in for the wings. I also put some wooden sticks to hold up my figurine while baking. Once the body is baked, I can start on the mane and tail. When attaching wet clay to dry clay, you have to use a liquid clay to adhere the two. I'm adding a piece of clay to the wire so that I can blend the wing and the body together. This part is tricky because you have to make sure that you keep the wire inside of the wing. With the second wing, I accidentally got the wire outside, and I'll show you how to fix that later. seconds to blend the two colors together on the wing. To fix the wire, I'm just going to put a small piece of clay over top of it and blend it. Because it wasn't the same color, I'm going to have to paint it later. So this is the finished product. I did paint inside of the wing a little bit with some metallic pearl white paint just to cover up some of the clay on the inside that didn't match. So if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please give me a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.